Hello children. Today I Kamaljit Kaur going to discuss your next. So this is your first page of tenses. Now tenses, the verb forms that indicate the time and state of action. It means on what time, on which state the action is going on. The verb forms that indicate the time and state of action. So there are three types of tenses, as you know, present, past and future. So three types of tenses are here, okay, present, past and future. We will do it one by one, okay. To the next page. Your first exercise, focus on simple present tense. So now in this video I'm going to discuss simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense and its comparison, and then simple past tense. So till page number 251 we will discuss it in this video. Okay, so coming back to your first exercise, first simple present tense. So here you can see that the verb form of this tense is the same as the root verb. Like I sleep peacefully, sleeps peacefully. Now s or es is added to the root verb. If the subject of the sentence is third person, then singular he, she, it. With this we will use s. The negative is formed with do not or does not. Right? Same as in the interrogative form, we will we will start it with do or does. Okay, do I sleep peacefully? Does he sleep peacefully? And sign of interrogation will be there. And the negative in interrogative, we will make it by do I not sleep? Does he not sleep? Okay, do or does plus subject plus not plus root verb. And in this way you can make the sentences. Okay, so first one, affirmative and into negative. I eat, I do not eat. We eat, we do not eat. And next, examples are given of the interrogative to negative interrogative. Do I eat? Do I not eat? Do we eat? Do we not eat? In this way you can change it into negative sentences. The simple present tense is used. Now where it is used? So the simple present tense is used when we talk about something which happens regularly or as a habit, which happens regularly or as a habit. First one, Uncle Sam smokes cigars. I always walk to school regularly. It shows the regular way. Okay, we visit the dentist once a week. Right? So smokes, walk, visit, these are root verb. Okay, these are the examples. You can read it by your own. Coming to your classroom assignment related with simple present tense, a part, fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of the verbs in the bracket. He usually dash by car. He usually travels. With he, she, it, we will use the plural. Okay, s or es is added to the root verb. Raman dash catching butterflies. Raman likes catching butterflies. The family goes to church every Sunday. The family goes to church every Sunday. The Muslims dash their dead. The Muslims bury. Now Muslims, here plural, Muslims, then we will use singular verb. Okay. Next, B part, change the following sentences into their negative form. Now you will change it into negative one. It rains heavily in our state. It does not rain heavily in our state. With it we will use does not. Suresh behaves politely with everyone. Suresh does not behave politely with everyone. I know his address. I do not know his address. Okay. So right. Coming to the C part, change the following sentences into the interrogative form. Now you will change it into interrogative form. Okay, we will start with do or does according to the subject. Amar writes beautiful poems. Does Amar write beautiful poems? Here write will come, not writes. Does Amar, according to Amar, okay, does Amar write beautiful poems? And sign of interrogation. Mosquitoes spread malaria. Do mosquitoes spread malaria? Here plural form, then we will use do. Do mosquitoes? In this way you can complete it. Coming to the D part, change the following sentences into the affirmative form. People do not, affirmative means in simple you will write, people do not pay taxes on time. People pay taxes on time. So rest of the sentences you will try it by yourself. Okay, again following words or phrases to form meaningful sentences in simple present. Now you will change it into simple present. Whether it is affirmative, negative, interrogative, it's up to you. You have to read it very carefully. For example, first one, Karan not drink tea very often. Karan does not drink tea very often. Sheena speaks French very well. Sheena speaks French very well. So in this way you can complete it. F part, the following sentences contain an error. So in these sentences there is an error and you will write it in these blanks by setting it, okay, by correcting it. The time and tide waits for none. For none. Time and tide wait, not waits. So waits is an error here. We will replace it with wait. In this way you can complete it by your own. Try it by yourself. Write suitable heading. As you know, headline always in the bold or capital one. Okay, first one, the Haryana government has released a sum of rupees 50 crore to strengthen Panchayati Raj institutions in the state. Government released 50 crore for Panchayati Raj. So in this way you can make headlines, okay, in the simple present tense. Coming to your next part, present continuous tense. Present continuous or present progressive tense is formed with ismr plus root verb plus ing. Now is when you will use is placed if the subject is third person singular, and am is used with I. R is placed when the subject is either of the remaining person or number. The negative is formed by putting not after is, am, are. And the interrogative one, I am not, is not, are not. Same as interrogative into negative interrogative. Am I eating? Am I not eating? Are we eating? Are we not eating? Right? So it is used to express an action now at the time of speaking. I am looking out of window. I am looking. So this is the rule of present continuous tense. Rest of the examples you can read it by your own. Coming to your classroom assignment 54 part, fill in the blanks with the present continuous tense of the verb given in brackets. Many students dash outside. Many students are. According to students are. A ticket checker, it is in a single, is checking. We dash any meeting tomorrow. We are not holding any meeting tomorrow. Dash I dash in the cricket tournament. Am I playing in the, according to I am I playing? Right? Next one, you will write it into negative one. The squirrel is hiding the nuts in the tree. The squirrel is not hiding the nuts in the tree. She is swimming in the pool. She is not swimming in the pool. We are waiting for the guest. We are not waiting for the guest. Next, rewrite the following sentences in interrogative form. Raju is wearing a hat today. Is will come in the French. Is Raju wearing a hat today? Sign of interrogation. In this way you can complete this part. Rewrite the following sentences in the affirmative. Now you will write it into simple form. Affirmative one, they are not going to see their parents. They are going to see their parents. Is he still waiting for his result? He is still waiting for his result. So in this way you can change it into affirmative. Now you will change it in these sentences into present continuous. Mrs. Ahuja cooks food. Mrs. Ahuja is cooking food. What did you read today? What are you reading today? According to the rule, ismr plus root verb plus ing. What are you reading today? Okay, rest of the sentences you can try it by your own, and same as in these sentences you will write present continuous or present simple. You can write by yourself. Again same, you have to write simple present or present continuous. Danny dashed to fly to London next week. Danny is going to fly to London next week. He dashed to India once in 3 years. He comes to India. So complete it by yourself. It is very easy. Move to the next page, present perfect tense. Now present perfect tense is formed with have or has have plus past participle verb third form. Has is placed if the subject is third person singular. With singular we will use has, and have is placed when the subject is either of the remaining person and number. Negative has not, have not, and in the affirmative into negative, I have eaten, I have not eaten. Same as interrogative into negative interrogative, have I eaten, have I not eaten. So in this way you can read out the rules by yourself. Okay, coming to the classroom assignment 55, fill in the blanks using the present perfect tense. Now what is the rule of present perfect tense? Has, have plus verb third form, right? The principal dash the result. The principal has already announced the result. I dash your fish. I have not stolen your fish. According to I have not. Not steal is given here, and according to the rule verb third form of verb will come. I have not stolen your fish. Dash the river dash its banks. Has the river overflowed its banks? Have you not told a lie? Okay, so same as you will change it into negative. Has not, have not, have not. Write the full sentences here. C part. Then interrogative you will change it into interrogative. Has, have will come in front. I have taken tea. Have I taken tea? Sign of interrogation. So rest of the sentences complete by your own. D part, rewrite the following sentences in the affirmative form. You will write it into the simple affirmative form. Has John brought new books? John has brought new books. She has not learnt French. She has learnt French. Have you eaten all the pasta? You have eaten all the pasta. So now the next one, E part, complete the following sentences with the appropriate form of the verbs given, okay, in the brackets. With the help of the brackets you will write it in the appropriate form. Okay, try it by yourself. Next one, put the tick and if it is grammatically correct, and put cross if it is not correct. Do you lost your boot? It's wrong. Have you lost your boot? According to the rule, according to you, have you lost? Okay, they have left for Calcutta. This is correct. Did you taken my pen? This is wrong. Have you taken my pen? According to the rule, have you taken? Okay, not did. So in this way you can complete it by on. Complete the following conversation by filling in the correct form of verbs given in brackets. Again you will fill it with the help of brackets. Try it by yourself. Moving further, next